Everyone, how's it going? So I got this new TV. This is the frame from Samsung. So it's called a frame because it looks like a picture frame with a photograph. And it looks absolutely amazing. It has a matte finish to it. But this is actually a TV. So this is a smart TV from Samsung. We'll post a link where you can find us. This is the latest and greatest from Samsung regarding the frame TV. And you can see this is mounted right on the wall. So it comes with a mount, and from the side profile, it looks like a picture frame, a really large picture frame. You can also make it a little bit more flush. It comes with two mount, one on each corner. It is slightly difficult to install, but once you line it up, you do have to measure it carefully just to make sure that it is properly aligned before you put the mount on. And it hooks up just like a picture frame. So how this works is this acts as a screensaver, but because the texture of the actual display itself is it's not an OLED, but it's a QLED. So it has a matte finish, but the quality of the TV itself is really critical, right? So we're gonna go into the media and play a video for you. So let's go ahead and let's open up Netflix. And let's just open up one of these videos so you can see the actual quality. And it doesn't have that glare, the gloss that you will see on a regular TV. So this actually is currently on sale right now. It's $1,000 off. So we'll post a link in the description of this video. It's not that popular because it's still new technology. It's been out for a couple years. So there's a 2022 model, 2023 model. This is a 2023. And I believe this also is a 2021 version, but that's been discontinued. So this 2022, this is 2023. What's special about 2023 is that the processor is still similar. The display itself has been improved in terms of the matte finish is less glossier, but software and hardware wise, very similar to that of the past. What you can do now with this 2023, not only you can make it a picture frame and just have it run in the background. It only takes in very low power. So average 4 hours used per day, a full calendar year, about 30 bucks. Okay. What's special about this 2023 version is that you can get these frames. So this mimic a wood finish frame. You can see the grain in here. And it's magnetized, so you can buy different version, and then essentially it just sticks on just like that, right? So let me stand back. So that's how it looks like. All right, so very cool. Let's put the rest on. So you have the bottom one here, and again, very easy to install, magnetized. So this is magnetized. Let's see. This one actually, I think this is the top one. Let me see here. This is the bottom version. All right. Yeah. All right, so just line it up. It's magnetized. There you go. And just line this one up. This one, push this one up a little bit. There you go. So we'll fix that, but that's essentially how it looks like. So I'm gonna switch this to actually do a picture frame. And on the remote, basically just power off. It has a sensor, so it will turn on when there's people present in the room or passing by. You can set the sensitivity, but it just looks, it's just very cool. It's just the frame itself makes it look just like a picture frame. And then you can change this, right? You can go back, change the screensaver. You can do like unlive photos. So let's do this one. This one is pretty neat. So we'll do trial and see how this looks like. So let's do a free preview. So it's loading. You can download hundreds and hundreds, if not thousands, of different frames. There is a subscription for certain photos, but you can see it looks just like a picture frame, but it's actually a TV. So you can get different frame. So this is just a wood finish. There's a name for it. You can get other finishes, but let's go ahead and place the other ones on. So very easy to install. Just lines up just like that. Let's go back to the frame. Preview again. How neat is that? Just to give you a low profile when you come in the room. Just looks like a picture frame. Very neat. Again, we'll post a link where you can find this. This is absolutely amazing. Haven't seen anything like this. And I'll also post a link where you can find an installer, but just make sure you get someone to experience. How this works is because it's so clean right here, we hit there's a box in the back. It actually connects to a control box because the screen is so thin that it's really just a display. And a lot of the hardware is in a control box behind this screen. So you can either put that inside the wall or run the wire inside wherever you run the wires. And if you have openings like this, just run the wire out. And you have a little stand right here, whether that's a nightstand or a TV stand, entertainment stand. But with this, if we just put a little, let's say a drawer there, nobody's gonna know there's a connection to internet and also to power. So if I remove that's actually a router that is connected there from Amazon. So if we take that out, remove that, it's gonna be a clean look. You can't even tell that there's power running into this actual TV itself. This is 75 inch. It comes in 65, 75, as low as 55. So depending on your room size, but this essentially is a clean install. Since you're streaming all the time now, it doesn't make sense to have any entertainment stand on the bottom. And the sound on this is pretty good. Much better than, let's say, your other Samsung TV, your OLED or LED screen. This thing is absolutely amazing. And right now it's $1,000 off. So take advantage of it. I'll post a link in the description. Make sure you use that link to order. And thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe.